This is the Real Estate Development Marketing Act, SBC 2004, Chapter 41. Part 1. Definitions and Application. Definitions. Number 1. In this act, approving authority means whichever of the following applies. A. For land located in a municipality, the municipal council. B. For land located in a regional district, excluding municipalities, treaty lands, and Nisga'a lands, the regional district board. B1. For treaty lands, the governing body of the treaty, First Nation. C. For land located in Nisga'a village lands, the Nisga'a village government. D. For land located in Nisga'a lands, excluding Nisga'a village lands, the Nisga'a Lisim's government. E. In relation to land located outside British Columbia, the local government body that has similar authority in relation to that land. Approving officer means A. An approving officer as defined in the Land Title Act, and B. In relation to land located outside British Columbia, a person who performs a similar function. Bare land strata lot means A. A strata lot in a bare land strata plan, and B. In relation to land located outside British Columbia, a similar lot. Bare land strata plan means A. A bare land strata plan as defined in the Strata Property Act, and B. In relation to land located outside British Columbia, a similar plan. Brokerage means a person licensed as a brokerage under the Real Estate Services Act. Consolidated Disclosure Statement means a statement filed with the superintendent under Section 15.2, Consolidated Disclosure Statements. Cooperative association means A. A corporation as defined in the Business Corporations Act. B. A limited liability company as defined in the Business Corporations Act. C. A partnership. And D. An entity incorporated or otherwise created outside British Columbia that is similar to one described in paragraphs A to C, that owns, leases, or has a right to acquire land. Cooperative interest means an interest that includes both A right, Roman numeral 1, of ownership directly or indirectly of one or more shares in the cooperative association, or Roman numeral 2, to be a partner or member directly or indirectly in the cooperative association, and B, as a result of the right described in paragraph A, a right to use or occupy a part of the land in which a cooperative association has an interest. Deposit means money paid by a purchaser to a developer in relation to a development unit before the purchaser acquires title or any other interest in the development unit. Developer means a person who, directly or indirectly, owns, leases, or has a right to acquire or dispose of development property, unless the person is or is in a class of persons which is excluded by regulation. Development property means any of the following. A. 5 or more subdivision lots in a subdivision, unless each lot is 64.7 hectares or more in size. B. 5 or more bare land strata lots in a bare land strata plan. C. 5 or more strata lots in a stratified building. D. 2 or more cooperative interests in a cooperative association. E. 5 or more timeshare interests in a timeshare plan. F. 2 or more shared interests in land in the same parcel or parcels of land. G. 5 or more leasehold units in a residential leasehold complex. Development unit means any of the following in a development property. A subdivision lot. B, a bare land strata lot. C, a strata lot. D, a cooperative interest. E, a timeshare interest. F, a shared interest in land. G, a leasehold unit. Director means A, in the case of a corporation as defined in the Business Corporations Act, a director as defined in that act, and B, in the case of a partnership or other entity, small Roman numeral 1, a person who holds the title of director, and small Roman numeral 2, a person who, by whatever name designated, performs the functions of a director of a corporation. Disclosure statement means a statement that discloses material facts about a development property, prepared in accordance with Section 14(2), filing disclosure statements, and includes a consolidated disclosure statement, a phase disclosure statement, and an amendment made to a disclosure statement. Financial Services Tribunal means the Financial Services Tribunal under the Financial Institutions Act. Land Title Office means A land title office under the Land Title Act, and B, in relation to land located outside of British Columbia, an office that performs a similar function. Leasehold unit means a unit in a residential leasehold complex. Market means A, to sell or lease, B, to offer to sell or lease, and C, to engage in any transaction or other activity that will or is likely to lead to a sale or lease. Material fact means, in relation to a development unit or development property, any of the following. A fact or a proposal to do something that affects or could reasonably be expected to affect the value, price, or use of the development unit or development property. B, the identity of the developer. C, the appointment in respect of the developer of a receiver, liquidator, or trustee in bankruptcy, or other similar person acting under the authority of a court. D, any other prescribed matter. Misrepresentation means A false or misleading statement of a material fact, or B, an omission to state a material fact. New purchaser means a purchaser who has not previously received from a developer a disclosure statement in relation to the development unit or development property. Phase disclosure statement means a statement filed with the superintendent under Section 15.1, phase disclosure statements. Previously occupied building means a building that has been occupied at any time in its past for any purpose, including residential, commercial, institutional, recreational, or industrial use.